Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to avoid keeping this ginger garlic paste in the fridge. Yeah, the main reason we do large quantities of this ginger and garlic paste is on this mixer grinder. If you place little amount, that would be hard for it get to paste. That's the reason we take large quantities of ginger and large quantities of this garlic, and then we'll grind it and we'll keep it in the fridge. But if you have a hand mixer or mortar pestle here, while see here, this is the chicken curry. So whenever there is usage for this, means whenever we want this ginger garlic paste, at that point of time, if we have hand grater like this, so what you can do is we can place a cloth here, and this is 360 rupees, I guess. I bought it on Flipkart, and we can just clean this once. Yeah, this is now ready, and I'll just pour out the water which is remaining here. And before using it, when I ordered from the Flipkart, I seasoned it first, then it is ready to use. Now what I'll do is I'll be just pouring this here, and now I'll just be smashing it to a fine paste. And I'll also tell you how much time it took for me uh, to make it a fine paste here. You can apply just add a little bit of water, maybe 2 spoons or like that, to get it a fine paste. So I'll be back once it is get finished, and I'll let you know how much time it took. Yeah, see here, it took me like 3 to 4 minutes, and this paste was ready, the ginger garlic paste. The main reason, there are two reasons for grinding this in this mortar and pestle instead of this grinder. The main reason is the paste which grinded in this gives extra taste to your curry, because this is fresh and this is hand grounded, not the machine grounded. And one more thing is, there is no need to keep this in the fridge, because from the next curry usage the freshness will be lost if we keep it in fridge. So whenever there is a requirement, take little quantity of ginger and little quantity of garlic, and you can use this. See, now I'll just place this in the curry here. Yeah, see here. And definitely, I personally observed the ginger garlic paste which is hand grounded gives really little bit of extra taste to the curry. And please do comment if you agree with me, and I'll attach this product. If you want to check the details, you can check the details. This is for 369 rupees. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.